how you can make your first $500 with Google Ads, Google pay-per-click, using ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now in this video, in 2025, I'm going to show exactly how you can do it step by step, okay? Even though if you have tried before Google Ads or ClickBank affiliate marketing and you have failed, it's not your fault, but I'm going to show exactly how we are doing it in January 2025. Okay, so first of all, here you can reach me out later on my Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook, okay? Here I'm sharing everything about my life, about affiliate marketing journey, how to become super affiliate. Now, let me go straight into Google Ads. As you can see over here, right? The most important thing is this. Why I love Google Ads personally is because people go on Google for two reasons. First of all, to get educated, to find some information, or to buy the product. Okay? So lots of people, lots of audiences, the market size is there to buy products. Okay? They are in the buying psychology, buying mental state. Okay? Mindset shift. Because there is the right message to the market match, then of course the sale and conversions are happening. So the number one secret many gurus are never sharing with you is that the best affiliate marketers in the world, we focus on creating customers instead of finding customers. As you know, people go on Google to look for the solutions to their pains and problems that they are dealing with every single day. Especially in 2025. Don't believe me, don't take my word for it. Go and Google it. The e-commerce has gone up. Okay? Sales is happening. Even with TikTok affiliate marketing, everything is going up. Okay? In many countries, not only USA, Australia, UK, India, Asian countries. Okay? You can target so many countries, not only US. Alright? Now let me show you exactly how this works. You see? For example, lots of affiliates make this big mistake. They go and say on Google pay-per-click headline, they say, okay, do you want to know the easiest way to meet and attract stunning women into your life? This is for male dating niche on ClickBank, right? You see, the big difference is here that 20% of population online, it's solution oriented. Okay? So, if you want to create customers, which is big difference, we can create them without having to focus on the solution. First of all, on the problem, okay? To put them into the problem state and then move them into the solution state. By that, my friend, we once for all finally have less competition. So you don't have to compete with other people out there, with other people who are trying to use their credit card to put ads on Google or Facebook or YouTube ads, right? Because once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, hand holding you along the way, then you will finally be able to once for all start having funnel results, like really great results online. I'm talking about sustainable passive income, 500 to 700 US dollars per day, working 20 to 40 minutes per day. Okay? So as you can see, like for example, let's say that you're earning with all the upsells and downsells 500 US dollars per sale. So if you have only one sale per week, you can make $2,000 per month. If you have 5 sales per week, you are making 10,000 US dollars per month. Now, what you could do with extra 5 to 10,000 or 15,000 US dollars per month or even more. I mean, how much you make is entirely up to you. Once you have someone who can guide you through so you can avoid all these avoidable mistakes along the way, right? So we connect over the Zoom calls, as you can see over here, one-on-one, and we get it up and running together, okay? So the results you could have finally with affiliate marketing on ClickBank using Google pay-per-click, Google Ads, you can see most people are afraid to spend money on ads. The reason why, and again, it's not your fault, is because they don't know exact strategy on how it works, okay? You're not spending a lot of money up front. No, we go with $5 to $20 a day, and then in 2 days, you should break even, meaning get your investment back, and start making a profit. And from there, we find a winning campaign and start scaling. It's simple as that. But once you see the bigger picture, and once you have someone who can guide you one-on-one along the way, then you will finally be able to stop buying courses and have actually real relationship with someone who can help you to get up and running really quickly in 2025. Okay? So my question for you is, are you ready to be left behind? Or do you want to make excuses, procrastinate, and watching everyone else make money online in 2025, and you make excuses why you cannot do it? Okay? Because this life can be for you, as you can see over here. It can happen for you. All you have to do is, you have to have 20 to 30 minutes per day. You have to have a Wi-Fi connection, laptop, computer at home, and follow step-by-step, simple, easy directions, okay? That you can get the right solution for. Because once we have the right message to market match, then, my friend, we can have really great results. Because we have low emotional states audience and high emotional state audience. It really depends what kind of audience you're promoting with your copywriting, with your ad copy, that will determine are you getting results or not. Okay? So, and here is the best part. You don't have to show your face on camera. You don't have to pitch your friends and family, okay? And you don't have to create any content at all. All you have to do is follow the simple directions we put on Google pay-per-click headline, body copy. That's all done for you. There is no images, there is no videos on Google. All this can be done in 20 to 30 minutes max in a day. Okay? So you don't need to have any tech skill. At least 20 to 30 minutes, some money to invest in yourself in 2025 to start having really great results. Okay, so let me ask you, how important it is for you to finally start making $500 plus per day? Okay, ask yourself these questions. I cannot answer it for you. Only you can answer that for you, for yourself. So as you watch this video right now, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. So all the links to my Instagram, Facebook, my personal WhatsApp number and email are in the description below. So after subscribing to a YouTube channel, let me know only if you're serious, if you're really action taker in 2025, and if you finally, once for all, want to start having $300 to $700 a day or more with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Okay, let me know and let's connect.